I'm Abby Lee, and this is the Great British Chef's signature series. First memories of Malaysian food was whenever we would go home to visit my grandparents. There would be like peanut pancakes like ready from the street stalls. So much good food and so much good memories. Out of uni, I basically started doing some supper clubs and then started working in Italian restaurants. It felt like it was the only place I could channel all my sort of hyper energy. It just made me feel the best I ever felt. Hi, I'm Abby Lee, founder of Mambo in Peckham, serving Malaysian plates. Today we're preparing a Kerabu glass noodle salad with some grilled prawns. We definitely eat a lot of Kerabu. Kerabu means salad in Malaysia. Super herby, a spicy chili sambal tossed into it, and really sour as well. So anything with herbs, sour, spicy, I love. For the sambal belacan, which is usually the base of the dressings for Kerabus, we always have long red chilies, belacan, which is our version of shrimp paste, calamansi puree, or you could use lime juice. And I've got some kaffir lime leaf and some sugar. So that's always the basis of a sambal belacan. First step is to make the sambal belacan. I've chopped the chilies up just rough, so it's ready to go into the blender. For the kaffir lime leaves, just gotta remember to take out the middle stem. You don't want that. And for the belacan, we usually, to toast it at home, wrap it in some tin foil before toasting it on the pan. Very strong odor, but usually in Malaysia you would just do it just exposed on open flame. So, but we've got neighbours. Wrap it up tight, and we're going to toast it in this pan. The other key ingredient for a Kerabu is kerisik, which is either fresh coconut, but here we get frozen coconut in the freezer section, and you just toast it till it's quite dark, so not light brown, dark brown. And then you're gonna just lightly blend it in the spice blender. This sort of fine texture. Belacan. If you open up the parcel, if you see the smokes coming out of it, you should be good. And so now into the blender, I would just throw everything in. Calamansi, your kaffir, all your sugar, and your chilies. I think the key is, though, for the chilies, not to remove the white pulp. These basically help to thicken the sambal. If not, it'd be way too watery and loose. So it's like, well, really spicy, definitely. And that shrimp flavor has to like totally come through. You can't be afraid to add that shrimp flavor. While I've been waiting for the other ingredients to be ready, we've been blanching glass noodles in some boiling water. This is some garlic oil that I've made, that I always have in a jar. If you just like mandolin some garlic slices and cover it with oil, and basically just let it on a low heat and take it off once it turns golden brown. And I usually just coat the noodles in some garlic oil, nicely seasoned. We've coated our noodles in our garlic oil, and we've blended our sambal belacan, and we are ready to assemble the Kerabu salad. So noodles in first, and then we've got some thinly sliced shallots, some beansprouts for more crunch, and then thinly sliced lemongrass. Basically, the defining features are the lemongrass and the herb mix that's in this pot right here. So you can choose what herbs you would want to use, but if you can find laksa leaf, which they call Vietnamese coriander here, and some mint, and some Thai basil, and then you can add on with other things like wild betel leaf or however much your Asian supermarket has, basically. And then we've got the kerisik that we blended earlier, the desiccated coconut or frozen coconut that you can find. It almost acts as like this thickener and the flavour of obviously like freshly toasted coconut. And the sambal. And then I usually have an extra lime because you need it. And now we just mix it all together. Heated up some garlic oil and peeled the prawns just in the body, just keeping the heads because I do like to suck on them at the end. And then we're just gonna heat up the pan. All about the high heat and just getting that nice color. So we've got our grilled prawns, we've got the Kerabu salad base ready, and we're gonna plate it together. It's my favorite challenge, trying to refine the plating process. Just breaking down the elements of a dish. If there's kaffir lime leaf in it, can you do an oil from it instead? Just making it as colourful and as appealing as possible. A bit more kerisik on top, and I just always like a bit more garlic oil to finish everything. And this is my Kerabu glass noodles with prawns.